Hey everyone, I just want to talk about the 3-day chart a little bit. And this is exactly how I caught multiple times the peak on Bitcoin, where everyone's screaming 100K, 100K, 100K. I'm like, we're going down. We're going down. I'm going to make it very, hopefully as simple as possible. But again, like my content, subscribe, share it. Please use my referral link to make it free. The 3-day is probably one of my favorite charts to play. Catches a lot of peaks and valleys. And I'm going to just show you here. If you don't get greedy, the thing is, I don't have targets. I don't know where I don't know where the market's going to end or not. But the higher the time frames, the larger the take profit, the larger the stops. The same thing with the smaller time frames. Again, it's not an exact science. I don't over leverage, so it really doesn't bother me too much. But right now, I'm in shorts, like I said in my previous video. That's okay. We're gonna wait. It might take a couple days to develop my shorts. I might move my stops. I'll keep you guys posted if I do. I want to give market updates every, say, 3 to 5 days, or 3 to 5 times per week. So here's the last peak that everyone was talking about, right? Remember back in November, 100K, 100K, 100K. And all what I was looking at, put simply as my previous video, we had a prices increasing, pushing up. We had a divergence form. We had a peak, push up, push back, push up higher than this one, so there was no shorts. Pushed up higher. Got a green AO bar, thinking we might push the, a little higher here. I was expecting maybe 75 at that time. But a couple days later, in this bar, we hit the the black or red AO on yours. Again, if you don't have it, it's Awesome Oscillator. It's the AO indicator. Put it on your chart. And I told everyone for weeks I sold 65K and everything, alts, Bitcoin, everything. As you can see, it just hung out here for majority of those 3 days at 65K or so. So this was the bar that I shorted. Okay, and you can also see that it's weakening. Okay, simple, right? It's weakening, price moves up. This has a 95% hit rate, and then what happens later that week? Boom, we get a, what is that? 7K price drop, and then it just continues to nuke. We ranged a little bit, and then continues to nuke. You could have actually caught, it would have been a rough one here, but the same way. This is why I don't over leverage, right? Got this, got a nice PA forming, PA divergence with AO, tries to drive down price, doesn't, AO picks it up. You would have entered on this candle here, and I would have continued to add onto my longs a little bit, and through all these candles, all these green candles, you would have came out with a nice profit all the way right in this wave back up. You would have been a little underwater on this first initial. Again, do not over leverage. You price nukes the 3 days, but you still see AO trending in the trending green. Price backs up. You would have actually made really nice profits on this trade. You can even take it back, even this one, right? So prices don't skyrocketing up to like 52, 53. AO finally weakens, right? It's leveling off. Get the black, don't short, get a couple greens. Black again, you short right here. We have shorted this candle right here, right? It did try to drive up, no worries. Then you get the final black bar. And if you really look at some of these, it's a 6,000 price move, right? This is a heck of a lot more here. Show it here. Again, a lot of this is just patience. 28,000 price move, but don't get greedy. Like I didn't catch this whole move down. I did not expect us just to move 30,000. I had a feeling we were entering a bear market, but I probably caught maybe 7,000, 8,000 of this move, and that's it. Same thing on the way up. I caught majority of the swings longs here, and then nothing's forming right now. This is a strong move down, right? So the last part I'm looking for, if I'm going to long, is some price action that will push probably a little bit down, back up, right? And then, but you're going to want the AO to follow up here, bounce. Don't go lower than this previous black bar peak or red bar peaks on your charts, and bounce, and then I'll long somewhere in there. That's when I'll look for longs. Keep it simple. That's all I'm looking for. Hope it helps. Feel free to comment or ask me any questions below or on Twitter. But again, it'll help to keep this channel free. If you sign up for my referral link, that's all I ask. Trade on PrimeXBT, no KYC, easy, simple. One of the most reputable and respected. I mean, I've been trading on it for 2-3 years and never had an issue. So either way, I will chat soon.